Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage permissions on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open settings, then navigate down to the privacy menu. Here in privacy menu, you'll find app permissions, and if you open this menu, you will see different elements of your hardware or software that applications may or may not have access to. For all permissions, for the other permissions, select other permissions list, and here you'll find all the other elements of your TV that applications may or may not have access to. And basically, to grant or revoke any permission, you just have to select, for example, a context permission, and then find the applications apart from the system ones that are allowed to use this or not allowed to use this feature. Let me actually find something that may be used by. Okay, for example, the Gboard. So here you have to simply select an application, and then select select one of the options here. So either only while using the app, or ask every time, or don't allow at all. And so that's basically it. But there is also a special app access menu in privacy, which is also a part of permissions. Basically, some applications just need some additional access, special app access to them. For example, to override your system, or display over other apps, or have access to all files. Each file explorer needs this kind of permission, and here you can see the list of applications that have access to this feature, and you can either revoke or grant this app a permission by switching the toggle either to the left or to the right next to it. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.